This video shows the steps to use the Contour Next Gen blood glucose meter. The kit comes with a carrying case, quick start guide and owner's booklet. The carrying case includes all the supplies needed. The blood glucose meter, lancing device, test strips and lancets. The first step is to get the lancing device ready. Twist the white band so the white raised mark and black indented mark line up as shown. Pull off the end cap. Next, get a sterile lancet and loosen the round protective cap on the lancet by rotating the cap a few turns, but do not remove the cap. Next, insert the lancet firmly into the lancing device and push until the lancet comes to a complete stop. Carefully twist off the round protective cap. Save the cap for disposing of the used lancet. Replace the lancing device cap and lock the end cap. Use Contour Next test strips. The test strips are for single use only. Do not open the test strip vial until you are ready to remove a test strip and perform a test. Use the test strip immediately after removing it from the vial. To turn the meter on, simply insert the test strip into the meter. Insert the gray square end firmly into the test strip port until the meter beeps. The screen displays the blinking blood drop indicating it is ready to test a blood drop. No separate step to code the meter is required. The next step is to adjust the depth setting on the lancing device. The device has 5 puncture depth settings. Rotate the end cap dial to adjust the puncture depth. Smaller numbers are for a shallower puncture and larger numbers for a deeper puncture. Next, pull back the reset handle to prepare the lancing device. The release button is raised when the lancing device is primed. Press the lancing device firmly against the side of the finger and press the release button until the device clicks. Gently squeeze and massage your fingertip until a round drop of blood forms. Immediately touch the tip of the test strip to the drop of blood. The blood is drawn into the test strip through the tip. Hold the tip of the test strip in the blood drop until the meter beeps. If the meal markers features is turned on, select an appropriate meal marker by pressing the up or down button. When the meal marker you want is blinking, press the OK button. When your glucose test is complete, the meter displays your result with the units, time, date, meal marker if selected, and target indicator. If the target light setting is on, the test strip port displays a color representing your result compared to the set target range. To turn meter off, simply remove the test strip. Carefully remove the end cap from the lancing device. Place the round protective cap that you have saved onto a flat surface. With the used lancet still in the lancing device, push the lancet into the center of the cap. Push the gray lancet ejector forward until the lancet is ejected from the device. Discard the used lancet carefully after each use to avoid unintended lancet stick injuries. Attach and lock the end cap. Twist the white band to lock. This is a very easy to use blood glucose meter. Thanks for watching and please check out our additional Contour Next meter videos.